Hey guys, Jacob from MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida here today to show you the Cruiser Yachts 34 GLS. Let's hop up inside and take a look. All right, now that we're up here inside of the boat, again, Cruiser Yachts has a very good socializing and entertaining, very luxury feel in their boats, on their day boats like we're on here now. This one is powered by twin 300s. Does have a very nice back kitchenette area, so if you're at the sandbar, you're at the island, you want to cook a couple snacks, you have a nice fresh grill right here to the side, as well as a fridge underneath. Very large hardtop to provide a lot of shade for you and your customers and your family members, as well as a retracting sunshade that does cover the whole aft of the boat as well. Very cool captain seats here with flip down bolsters and armrests, so super comfortable while you're driving the boat. And I really like that brown interior color. It just adds that rich feel and aesthetics to it. This one comes with twin Simrads as your electronics, JPO Mercury joystick, digital throttle steering system, transitioning in and out of gear and maneuvering this boat. Very simple and easy. Full-size cabin down there with a stand-up shower. So if you need to get out of the elements, that is a seat as well. So you can step down in there, get every cool off for the day. Probably one of my favorite parts about this boat is just the entertainment that you can have up here with everybody while you're at the docks, at the island, wherever you may be going. Does have a windlass anchor on the front, so boarding at the island, dropping that anchor will be super easy, quick and fast. So that's the 34 GLS by Cruiser Yachts. If you'd like to know more, see more, please come see us at MarineMax in Panama City Beach, Florida, or give me a call at 850-819-9106. Thank you guys very much. It's all about making memories on the water.